This is the YuXin Corner Helicopter 2x2. It's a $30 cube and turns like a 2x2. It also corner twists. And it also edge flips. So there are 3 different types of moves you can do to scramble it. It does not shape shift. The 2x2 part turns really well. The corners sometimes get stuck. Corners can be a little bit locky. I have not added any lube or changed any tensions. This is just out of the box. And then the edges, that's where you can get into trouble. The one time I tried to speed solve this, or at least turn faster than normal, a couple pieces just popped out and I had to jam them back into place. So I've only done probably 5 to 10 solves so far, all untimed. So this will be my first timed solve. I'm going to time a single today. And this is one of the cubes. This is an optional, unofficial event in my next competition. So I can't really imagine speed solving it, and I don't think it's going to be fast for me. I have seen a video where somebody solved it in under 2 minutes. I don't see how that's possible. My turning speed is nowhere close to what it would need to be to get it under 2 minutes. So in the practice solves I have done, my take is, so far anyway, it's a great cube for casual solves. Like if you just want to relax, get in the zone, sort of meditate almost. This is a good puzzle for that. Again, I can't really see myself speed solving it, although I know there are some people who do. I would be curious if they've done any setup to their cubes, since mine popped so easily when I tried to just flip one of these edges quickly. So I think that is pretty well scrambled. So let me start the timer. Get the timer on screen and do some inspection, and then we'll have at it.
Eight seconds.
Come on, corner. Okay, Ortega, I've done orange and red. All right. So my first step is done, and now what do we do next? Moving on to edges, I guess. Edges and corners together. Just looking for any easy ones. There's one that's already done. That's nice. This is where I really slow down searching, you know, brain's not used to this. So here's an example. there's a pair that I just solved. I mean, it's not fully solved, it's just paired. To fully solve it, it belongs over here. Let's see. All right, there's another pair solved. It's the one I just did. It's just not put into place yet, so it's not fully solved yet. So matching these up is slow, at least right now. You know, you can get them wrong. Like here's a blue and white edge or corner, and here's a blue and white edge. And if you just pair them up without taking your time to figure it out first, then they might not match. So let's put some of these in place. So that solves blue and white. And then let's do orange, yellow. No, it just goes right there. And then let's do yellow, red, at least half of it. All right, there's yellow, orange. What can we do next? See, these green and white ones don't match. So I have to find the matching one. There it is. So let's flip it, bring it over here, turn the corner, flip it, bring the corner back. And then to get it into the right place, you can do some 2x2 moves. All right, there's yellow, red. I thought that I think I messed that up. Oops, that's not the right place. Okay, yellow, red is done. So I just need to continue looking for pairs wherever I can make a pair. All right, I got a pair for white and orange. Here's another one. I'll just put it up here. I like to restore the corners when I'm done. That probably adds time, I'm not really sure. All right, orange and white are done. What else can I do here? Put that in the wrong place. preserve that. Well, I can't figure out where to put it. Getting closer. There goes a piece. All right, so, okay, that goes there. But if I solve it, it'll mess up one of these. So what can I do? For now, I will do that, and then I will do this. Bring this back. Okay. Wow, 15 minutes, 11 seconds. With only one pop. Obviously, I can, you know, if I practice it enough, I could get to where I recognize a lot faster which of these corner pieces matches up with an edge piece, and that's where I'm going to gain like 95% of my time. Other than that, it's probably figuring out the setup and restore moves to get solved pairs into the right place when they're not on the right face. So yeah, right now I don't really see myself speed solving that, but it is a lot of fun, and I would recommend it for non-speed solving.